So we're back with another video. Today's video is gonna be my coilovers. These are, Tein coilovers. These are budget coilovers. I think in total it was like 800 bucks, but yeah, I'm at my brother's house again. S2000. I'll show you guys how high it is, but this should be pretty easy to install. It's kind of late during the day, but let's see how good we do it. Okay guys, so what the fuck? Let me show you guys how high it sits. So this is the front. I'd say it's like 3 fingers, maybe. Yeah, 3 fingers. Maybe I drop it 2. This is what the coilovers look like. I might just install them like this. I'm not gonna change anything. See how the car sits, and then if I need to adjust them up or to go down, then I'm gonna do that. But yeah, the car doesn't look that bad. Hard as stock ride height, but gotta go that low life. But yeah, let me jack up the car and then we'll get started. Okay guys, so for the rear coilover, you guys are gonna want to remove your fuel rail. There's gonna be 3 bolts on top, and then there's gonna be this one right here. You're gonna want to remove them. That way you can, as you guys can see, I removed it. But you guys are gonna want to remove it. That way you guys can access the bolts right here. This is where your coilover is, your OEM one. So yeah, you just have to remove that and then you should be good. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I have installed the Tein coilovers. I still haven't touched them. I left them how it was just because I want to see how low it is. But these are the old ones. This is the rear and this is the front. I should have done a side comparison, but I didn't. But yeah, the back ones are already installed, as you guys saw. And then I'm finishing this one up, which is the front one. So I'll finish that up. I'll drop the car and then I'll see how low it really is. But yeah, let me finish this, guys. Okay guys, so I just got done installing the new ones. About to lower the car and see how low it really is. So this car used to have a grip, a literal fist of offset. Now it only has 2.5 fingers. 2.5 skinny fingers. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit?
This guy. Oh yeah, it's lowered in a finger. But it still needs It still needs to settle in. Yeah, because before it was 3 fingers.
Yeah.
It's like 2.
Jeez.
But it's still not all the way down. Have to roll it out. Oh, the back is way lower.
Yeah, it's way lower.
Fuck.
Damn, with your fat ass, that went down 2 fingers.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar.
When you're trying to figure out what your girl like, look at that. Look at that. That's so ugly. Why is that wheel hiding? I think I didn't mind.
Time lapse this. Time lapse it.
Damn, miss you, man.
Focus up, motherfucker.
Okay guys, so as you guys saw, the car is finally lowered. I didn't want to go slammed. I don't like that kind of style, but yeah, I'll show you guys tomorrow what like the car looks. I'll let it set it, like go more lower, set in. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed and can't wait to install my next bed. See. Okay guys, so I'm back. I let the car sit for maybe 3 days. It's just been chilling, but I let it sit that way it could get lower and like settle down. But let me show you guys real quick. Okay, so ignore how dirty the car is, but as you guys can see, if I am correct, it used to be 3 fingers. It's still kind of 3 fingers, but it hits the wheel, so 2 fingers, which is maybe 3/4 an inch. The rear sits a little lower, I think, but yeah, this is what the car looks like. I do plan on getting my wheels next, so there's that. Doesn't rub or anything, so we're good on that. But yeah, I'll see you guys